So what's on the menu today? Hi, Sammy. Yeah, I'm going to use half a can of this chicken. And I talked about this chicken. Chicken and sea salt. That's all. So I'm going to use half a can of this chicken. I'm going to use some of this dehydrated vegetable medley. Let's see what's in this. This is food storage up to 25 years. Just add water. 131 servings of 1.5 tablespoons. Let's see what's in it. Carrot. Oh, let's see. Potato dices. I don't know if y'all can see that. Cabbage flakes. Chopped onion. Carrot dices. Celery slices. Red and green peppers. And that's it. Great for soup, stews, casseroles, and more. And I was wanting to do a lot of soups this winter, so I brought this with me. And because I was like, oh, when it's cold, I'm going to make a bunch of vegetable soups and rice and veggie soups and all that. Well, I think we had like 4 cold days. But it's not really cold today, but I wanted to go ahead and make some. It's on my meal plan. I wanted to use this chicken. I've not used this brand before, and I wanted to try it to see if I want to start keeping this instead of the smaller Great Value cans of chicken. And I'm curious, does it look like this? Like shreds instead of chunks. So, I'm going to use a little bit of rice and some seasonings. Chicken and rice soup. I'm winging this recipe, so I'll probably put in 2.5 cups of water. Probably might add some more. We'll just see. I don't want to make a whole bunch because I'm only going to use half a can, and then the other half I'm using for quesadillas. Alright, so I need to open this can, well, both cans. And I need to get some rice going. And I'm only going to use maybe, what is this? A 1/4 cup. That's probably that, or maybe one, no, 2 of those. No, that'd be half a, yeah, that's too much. I don't want a whole lot of rice. All right, I'm going to wing it. Let's see what I do. Okay, good heaping as much as you can heap. Well, let's get that boiling. All right, there is the veggies. My can opener bit the dust. I swear. Is it just me? I'm the only one that has problems with can openers. Yeah, I should have brought my electric, but I didn't. All right, so this smells really good. I'll get a few. Well, let me use that dish cup here. What I was using. Don't use that. Throw away your oxygen absorber. Looks good. That's got to rehydrate too. So maybe a little bit more. Alright, I repackaged it. I put it in 2 quart-sized bags. And then that way I can just pull one out and use it. I'm going to leave it in the jar. Or in the can. And put the lid on it when I find the lid. But, okay. Let's see how we're doing. Look at that. Looks good. I'm gonna add some chicken bouillon to it. Spices are your friend. I won't add any salt because this is kind of salty, so salt at the end. Alright, I got my Gerber multi-tool out. I'm going to try this. Okay, the tried and true way. Slow and easy. This is easier on my hand than that deckham this. It's like I'm getting arthritis in my hand and I can't do that motion. Yeah, this is less less tension on my hands. Much easier. All right, here is the, gonna have to add some more water. Turn it down. Turn it down. Turn it down. Oh, it's looking good though. I'm gonna taste it, the soup, because if it needs more salt, I'm gonna just use the liquid that's in this can in the soup. All right. Looks a little different than the picture, doesn't it? Let's see here. The big old, well, oh, that's pretty nice. Look at that. Let's taste it. It tastes like chicken breast, so I think, you know, I showed you the small cans of Great Value, the Walmart brand. It has rib meat in it too, so I'm thinking it has white meat and dark meat, where this is just white meat. It doesn't say, but I'm gonna dig some of this out of there and put in our chicken. I mean, in our soup. Now, I'm going to taste this and see if it is salty. If it's not, I'm going to add some of that broth. I don't think it needs salt, but I tasted the broth too. I think I can add some. Needs pepper for sure. And some garlic. Load up on those spices. That's what makes it good. And I'm going to go ahead and add some onion powder. I don't taste a lot of onion in there, so. Stir it up. Oh yeah, that pepper made it. That's definitely what was missing. That's some good hearty chicken and rice right there. Pretty cheap meal too. Okay, I think it has cooked long enough. Yeah. All right, let's get a bowl. I want some crackers and butter. I haven't bought crackers in forever, and since I was gonna fix all this soup this winter, I bought a big box of crackers, and now it's 75 degrees today. It's like no long sleeves. Yeah. But I think I will. I think I will have me. Alright. It is plated up or bowled up. Got a little slices of jalapenos, some bread, and crackers and butter. Yeah. That's pretty good right there. That's looking pretty good.